Hey everybody, Tony Mills with the Karl Auto Group. I'm here with Brett Moyer. And so we're going to talk a little bit today about some questions that you may have on your mind, with the Karl Auto Group and all the great things that we have going on, the different locations, the different brands. So welcome, Brett.
Thank you.
Karl's really been Karl Chevrolet for over 40 years. And now, how does it feel to sell not just Chevrolets?
It's a little bit to get used to, but it's exciting. There's a lot of good product out there in the different brands that I really didn't pay much attention to, and it's really going to be good.
Awesome. And, what would you say to customers? They're brand loyal. I mean, so we've got our Chevrolet customers, they're diehard Chevrolet guys. But those customers that are loyal to those other brands, what would you say to them today?
You've got a great opportunity to be serviced at a great dealership. And, some of those customers of ours that are bought into the Chevrolet brand, they still want some off brands, whether it's themselves or family members, but just the opportunity to do things the Karl way and get treated the way you should as a customer of Karl's is what the biggest thing is to me that they would have to look forward to.
Right. I think, we've proven the quality and commitment to the customer, when Karl started the business to today, and being able to take that to these other brands, I think is exciting. If you want to drive a Ford or a Jeep or a Ram, you're going to get treated the Karl way, and I think that's exciting.
It is. It really is, and that is the only way that Karl will have it. What value he puts on his customers, and that is the top.